not good, dude. But if you want to play with me, man, you're more than welcome. I'm definitely going to play this with viewers. Oh, crap.
Oh, what's that smell? The sweet blood. Oh, it sings to me. It's enough to make a man sick.
Oh, that beat down. Whoops. Okay, now I'm running. Holy shit. Look out, Dadamy. Oh no! Holy shit. Oh wow, he kicked me? Really? Man. Other G means business. Up your butt. Man, this game's so much more forgiving when it comes to dodging bosses. Got back, Papa Gascoigne is weird, indeed he is. It's because he's the second hunter to turn, I think. Wow. That constant stun lock, ring the bell. Oh, what? Odon Tomb Key. Wow, dude, you've absolutely messed him up. That's crazy. What's the password? The password is the pain. I'll show you. Gino. Thanks, Tadamy. I'll give everyone a shot to play with me. Hey, Daft Puppy. You can play this as well with me if you like. Network. GG, Mr. G. Indeed. That's the password. The pain. Oh, if you want, I can summon you, Sampy. I haven't fought Gascoigne. Yeah, sure. Sure, I'll meet you just outside. There we go. I think that's what you do. I've never really done co-op in this game. But anyone's welcome to co-op. You just hit me up in the chat. Or message it to me, or put the @ and then my stream Twitch name, so I can see it, you know, in the bright white box. We need to get some chalice passwords for some PvP later. Definitely. Need your small bell. Do I need to ring it? Wait, small bell? Wait, small bell? What does that mean? Small bell. Wait. You buy it for 1 insight at the Hunter's Dream. Okay, yep. Alright, I'll be there. Hold up. Oh wait, I'll just quickly go to get this bonfire here. Can't believe I actually forgot about this right here. The lamp. But don't you need 10 insight for that? If Dark Souls 1 was backwards compatible, would you play it with us? Yeah, I probably would play Dark Souls 1. I have it on PC, Gaming 12, but yeah, I'd do like co-op, PvP, all that, but I'm not really a big PvPer in the Souls games. I do like playing, like one playthrough every certain amount of time is kind of enough for me. I'm more of a multi-game, like what is it? I like to play a lot of different games, like do a full playthrough and then move on. But yeah, I would do that. Gas coins set, damn. Me neither. Anyone else with the password, I can summon you as well. What, can you have... Ring my bell, Tadamy. Can you have more than one person in your summon? Really? So what, you can have like 2 or 3 people going at a boss? Did I talk to the little girl? Yes, I did, Taint Hades. You can have more than one. Damn. I'd take a shot, but I'm too many people in the living room. Oh, that's all good, man. There's still plenty of time. And anyway, if you guys are into Sempi, you're gonna ring the bell? Indeed I am. Chalice, you can summon 4 other players? Oh, that's epic. Alright. Where's the bell? Use. Okay, hold up, I'm gonna put it in the slot. Wait, why can't I ring it? One blue, purple, and 2 red. Gotta be outside the area. So right before the fight. Oh my god. Sorry about that, it's like the delay. And there is even a covenant where you can summon allies and they become enemies instead. Really? That's pretty cool. Small bell. There we go. Worldwide. Yeah, Taint Hades. I did talk to the little girl. I got the musical box thingy majiggy. There's even... So right before the fight, 1 blue, 1 purple and 2 red. Apparently in opposing covenants in this game you can summon someone to help in PvE and they can attack you. Is that true? I have no idea, Taint Hades. Oh, it is! Wow, that's searching for the chime of beckoning bell. That's crazy, it is Co. Hey. I hope this is your game, Gino. Oh crap. Oh Gino! What's up, man? Tadamy! I have no idea how to do emotes. Jack Eternal goes and gets PS4. Nice, man. Yeah, like I said, I've already played Bloodborne. I'm not going to fake a blind playthrough. So, yeah, everyone's welcome to join me and I'll join you guys. We'll just have some fun as we play through to the end of the game. This character will be my DLC character for when I stream the game as well, by the way.
Beasts all over the shop. You'll be one.
And then the hunters of hunters get to tap your butt. Oh, he's looking quite angry and nasty at us. Alright, let's enter. Wait, I want to get my Molotovs. Missed. Oh my god. That Molotov damage, holy crap. Beat on his ass. Damn, you guys are doing... You guys are pro as. Oh my god. By the gas can. For emotes, you click the left side of the touchpad. Ah. You guys are insane. Make it rain, indeed. the extra slots, you click the right side of the touchpad. Okay, thanks, man. You hate watching stuff on... Yeah, I know, wrecked, hey. All I was doing was throwing... Molotovs do a lot of damage, because he's like a beast in a way. Damn, you guys wrecked the crap out of him. That's insane. You guys will probably make it to the next boss before me. This is my New Game Plus 4 char, so once you get Forbidden Woods, you can test your wit against my world. Holy crap, man. Yeah, I'll give it a go for shits and giggles, definitely. It sounds pretty good. You can also hold X and move your controller. It'll do the emotes assigned to the specific movement. Damn. Yeah, man. Rip Gascoigne, indeed. I'm not giving the jewel to the girl. No, that's just too cruel. I don't want her to cry forever. Gascoigne got ripped a new butthole. That's... You guys just... I don't know, man. You guys just did some massive damage. The hunter guy at the cathedral from Eileen's quest looks tough. I see a lot of people die to him. To be fair, the feels for the little girl, I know. Oh Gino, so you entered as a scaled down char. With the guy from Eileen's quest line, I pretty much fluked one visceral on him and she pretty much finished him off because the idiot, I'm level 40 so I don't get scaled down. Holy crap, level 40 in New Game Plus 4. Are you serious? That is ridiculous, dude. That is absolutely ridiculous. You're an absolute machine. Holy crap, man. Absolute machine. You're a monster. He's something else than that. Holy crap. That's what you call like professional level. And here's me streaming this, you know, you could be streaming that. Just it's ridiculous. But I think it can be done if you farm some flat gems on a Tonitrus. I don't know what the hell that is. He's no monster, he's a beast indeed. That's just ridiculous. You don't really need to talk to her. The rarest blood gems, odd bolt gems make Tonitrus hit like a truck. Damn. Pretty much right now, I think the next boss for me is the Blood-Starved Beast. Right. And these guys hit quite hard. Oh my god. I didn't do that. Tiny Tonitrus hits like a truck. I have no idea. Idea is that level 40 can summon between 24 to 75, so I'm allowed to summon all new game players to my world in any area, so quite funny to see them survive in my world. Damn. Yeah dude, that's crazy. Has anyone used Tiny Tonitrus? Never seen anyone using it, guessing it's bad. I have no idea. No, Tiny Tonitrus hits like a truck, and it's ridiculously good for farming at Lecture Hall. Also, they've buffed it in 1.04. What's up, Chaos? Those guys are the easiest things to parry in the entire game. I've never seen anyone using it, ever.